Hello and welcome back to Foundry, and I am slowly inching my way towards Yellow Science Pack 4. I've got circuit boards being produced. Now it's time for energy cells, I think. But first I want to talk to this guy. He might give me some insight on exactly what to do next. I did talk to him before, and he wants me to build 4 pump jacks, so I'm gonna do that real quick. I think I only built like 1 or 2 pump jacks over here, so we're gonna see if we can get some more down to see if he has any more tasks for me. Whoops. Any specific tasks? But if not, I'll work towards the cells. And there's this whole construction and maintenance thing that I don't understand at the moment, so maybe the bots will provide some help. Like, what is it? These modular buildings. Maintenance drones. I have no idea what these are. There we go. I got down another pump. I guess I can hook it up. Though I don't really need it right now. Not, yeah, not with what I'm consuming here. I'm sure I'll need it soon. A lot more of this stuff. Because I need some acid that requires this stuff. Alright, let's, get the pipes hooked up. Copy that. There we go. Okay, now let's talk to the robot. My pillars here are still floating in the air. I've got them evenly spaced out though, so it looks neat. There he is. He's got a question mark on his head. What's up? Olumite. Done.
The olumite is in our hands. Now we can
it sure is.
Chemical processing. This is where the fun really starts. We should begin processing it. Oh, by the way, BB, any news from the station?
Nope. Everyone's dead.
No. I refuse to believe that our drop pod is launched because of a malfunction. We are not a malfunction.
Jetpack. Well, we have a jetpack.
A jetpack? That idea might just take off.
Oh god.
But it's a bit up in the air if we run out of fuel.
No. Stop that. Completed.
Getting this thing was always part of your plan, huh? Let's hope this jetpack gives us a real lift.
Oh, stop. Please. Energy cells. Yeah, it looks like that's the next thing.
We are still lacking energy cells. The missing link before we can build construction-related buildings, which should allow us to engage in space station repairs? I see. The goal is clear then. We need to get our hands on energy cell technology.
Got it. Completed research, energy cells. Looks like I haven't been here in a while. I should have turned these in earlier.
We figured out how to make those energy cells. Oh, I can't wait to uncover the mission command mystery.
Construction and industry. Tell me about it.
Great. C3BB just provided the necessary blueprints for construction and transport ships. Not only will this allow us to repair the space station, it will allow us to construct enormous buildings beyond our current capabilities.
I like the sound of that. Enormous. Completed research. Construction industry.
Great work. I'm excited. It's time to set up our construction industry. This one's a little more complex. You might want to check the info database for details. The first use for our construction industry will be a giant radio tower. While BB has limited connection to the station, we now need full access. This tower should provide the necessary signal strength.
Okay. Giant tower. Oh yeah, I kind of skimmed this earlier. The term construction industry stands for multiple buildings and the construction site system for modular buildings. Okay, I need to look up modular buildings. Once a modular building has been configured and confirmed for construction, it acts as a construction site that needs to be built. First, it requires resources to be delivered. And is built through a construction ship and drones. They will automatically fly to any construction site with any construction material available. They will hover over the construction site and gradually build them. There's no need to assign the construction ship to a site. Everything is fully automated. Okay. If multiple ports are built, all of them will help in constructing, speeding up construction time. Okay. Transport ship port. Transport ships are automatically transporting goods from places that provide them to a place that requests them. Like the construction ships, the system is fully automated. Okay, transport ships are also used for certain other automated transportation tasks, like bringing items to and from the space station. Construction warehouses store construction material and rubble. Transport ships automatically pick construction material from the warehouse once a construction site requests it. Okay. Okay, so I build the warehouses, fill them with materials, and the transport ships transport material to and from warehouses or to a construction site. Okay, this is something that I'm gonna have to actually see in action, I think, before I fully understand how it works. We'll see. Modular buildings and construction industry. Blah blah blah. Okay. None of that really matters because I gotta get maintenance drone. Yeah, if I go to if I want to do the construction industry stuff, that's gonna require a lot of maintenance drones, which requires a lot of energy cells, so I need a bunch of energy cells. That's pretty much what I need. Energy cells also used for science packs, so yeah, tons of them. Many energy cells. Let's see if we can get one tier 2 belt of energy cells. Well, let's just, how much do I need for just science? So all science seems to produce at the same rate, 1 every 60 seconds. Well, the first 2 tiers are 2 every 60 seconds. And I've got 12. I think I've got 12 assemblers. Yeah, 12 assemblers for the higher tier stuff. What is this? Oh, this is the... Yeah, the yellow. I got this set up already. Okay. So that's going to be 12 science per minute. Which is going to be 144 energy cells per minute. Yeah, let's see if we can get a conveyor 2 worth of energy cells. We'll just shoot for that. Where are they? There they are. Okay, well, the ratios are pretty easy. 6 energy cells need 6 glass, 6 electronic components, 3 xenoferrite plates. So 1 tier 2 belt, or 320 per minute of glass and electronic components. Not too difficult. And acid, olumic gas, water, ignium powder. That's ignium ore, rubble. We got the olemite there. I could use that ignium, that xenoferrite, and that technum there. I'm not using a whole lot of that technum here, so I can make use of it for the batteries as well. Yeah, I can do something on this side here. Okay. Well, let's go grab more foundations. I need a lot. And we'll head over here. I think, yeah, this would be good. A good spot over here to do the batteries, or power cells. Things are getting pretty complicated. Okay, I'm gonna have to blow up all these trees. Let's see, what do these drones take? Circuit board, energy cell. Oh, okay. Yeah, I'm not gonna worry about the drones right now. Oh, great. Inventory problems. There we go. It's like Factorio. You just blow up the trees. That's how you get rid of them. Alright, I'm not going to have to get rid of all of them here, but just all of them in the immediate vicinity. Okay. Just these. Alright, there we go. Good enough. And we're going to start with the battery, or I keep calling them batteries. Fuel cells, and work our way backwards. I gotta get... Yeah, I don't want to go over the reservoir here. Go back a little more. Okay, I think I am gonna have to blow up more of these. Then I'm gonna have to dig underground. This one here is pretty deep. So yeah, we're gonna have to do another freight elevator thing with this xenoferrite. This one's not that deep, 107, and it's in the water. That might be a little bit awkward. Can I put miners in the water? I cannot. Is that just because there's nothing to mine? I don't know, we'll see. Can I put a smelter in the water? Okay, I can. So, yeah, I can probably put buildings in the water and they'll work just fine. They really need to do something about these item stack sizes, though. Inventory space is a big problem, and it's only going to get harder to deal with as I unlock more items, more technologies. Okay, so if I want batteries, they're made in assemblers? Or a fluid assemblers, okay. Well, wait a minute, what's the crafting speed of a fluid assembler? 1. Okay, good. So I am gonna need 12 of those. And they require polymer. Alright, it's daytime now. I had to wait for these to be built and had to grab some more materials. So I think I'm gonna shoot for like 288. That'll be 24 of these things. A nice even number. You can't really get a perfect a perfect 320 which is the tier 2 belts, right? 320. Yeah, you can't really get a perfect 320 out of these, which make 12 per minute. It doesn't really add up perfectly. So to make things easier, I'll just go with double what I originally planned, which was just enough to get my science going. I'll build double that, and that'll be 24 of these assemblers. And I still don't have 24. Wasn't able to craft them, but we'll craft them later. We're going to be missing a few, but that's okay. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Let's have a gap in between here. So that's half of them. Oh man, I'm gonna need a lot more blocks. Oh no, we got a gap. Redo it. Alright, I'm gonna redo this and grab some more blocks. Okay, I've got all the liquid assemblers built. 24 of them? I think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yeah, and then 12 over here. Should be 24. And it's nighttime again. I had to run back and forth, grabbing a whole bunch of this, these platforms, which is kind of annoying. Yeah, the lack of inventory space is really a huge issue for me. Yeah, these stack sizes need to be increased like 10 times what they are currently. Okay, anyway. I'll deal with it. So I'm gonna need acid. 120 per minute. 120 times 24 is... Hold on, I got a calculator. I'll just use that. 2,880. And where's this stuff made? Chemical processor. Which is... I have that on my hotbar somewhere. Is that it? That's 300 per minute. So that's around 10 chemical processors I'll need. Okay, so we're gonna have three inputs. All inputs are coming from this direction. Three on the belt. Ten from here. The chemical processors, where are the inputs and outputs? Inputs are on this side, outputs are on the back side. Okay. Well, that works. That will work. Oh, not right there. Okay, that'll work fine. I like to have a little gap here, just to make it easier to walk through. Let's get 10 of these. There we go. We'll have a gap right in the middle there. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, then we copy the recipes. I'm hoping that the drones do what I think they'll do, and they'll just let me or the transport ships, they'll just let me fill up warehouses with stuff, and then they can just move it around as I want it to. I can just request it from other warehouses and have it transfer using the ships. That would be very helpful. I don't know what the throughput's going to be like though, using them, but we'll see. Okay, so we need a lot of inputs here. 2 gases, or 1 gas, 1 liquid, and 1 on a belt. 120 per minute. Oh, really? 120 per minute. Oh, that's a lot. 120 ignium powder. Okay, that's gonna be a lot of ignium. Well, I get 5 ignium powder from 1 ore, but I'm not just gonna be able to run 1 belt along here to serve all of these. Okay, that's gonna be a little odd, but shouldn't be a big deal. Now, about the water. How much water is that? 187.5 times 10, 1800 something. I think a pump can handle that pretty easily. Let me just make sure. 30,000. No problem. Okay, we need... no. Go back to the pipe. It's so awkward. Rotate, yeah, okay. Rotate T-axis, there we go. No, I don't want to do that. Yeah, we'll go... Yeah. so I'll sort of stack the pipes on top of each other. I do like the jetpack, and I'm glad that fuel is easy to make. Oops. I wish there was a hover pack like in Satisfactory, though. Oh, no. Oh, shoot. I gotta bring this out by one. Yeah, I didn't have to do this. Okay, let me work on the pipes a bit. I'll be right back. Alright, we're heading back now. I got more of the pipes built. I ran out of pipes, so I had to go grab some more here. So, yeah, we got pipes down here running all the way down. Water is on top, I think. Yes. And that stuff, what even is that? Yeah, olumic gas. Okay, no problem. That's on the bottom. And the output. Let's get the output pipes here. There we go. Yeah, sometimes these games, they don't... It's hard to, not satisfactory. Factorio is pretty stress-free, and building is just so easy in that game. But a lot of that is just because of the 2D nature, two-dimensional nature of the map, and the overhead view and all that. Sometimes that doesn't really translate too well to 3D. Yeah, this game, it could use a lot of quality of life stuff, for sure. Even stuff that, let's see, wait a minute. Oh, this is the output, right, okay. No, that's the input. Yeah, the input is on this side. Yeah, it's a little odd, but... And this is gonna be the... Yes, okay. So, we're gonna take... this and bring it around. Yeah, even, well, Satisfactory has had a long time to cook. It's been in development for a long time. And it's a 3D factory. Oh, dang it. Keep trying to rotate it. I'm pressing the wrong button here. There we go. It's a 3D... Oh, it's in the wrong spot. God. Yeah, I'm trying to talk about trying to compare Satisfactory and this. Oh, dang it. I'm gonna have to rebind all of these keys. This is, it's not very intuitive here. Oh, I did it again. Is that right? That's right. Yeah, I think I like the way Satisfactory does it, where the pipes and conveyor belts are on a spline, so you don't build them block by block like this. I prefer that. Plus it has a really nice feature where you can, if you need like a long row of buildings like this, you can just click once and drag, and it'll build them all at once. That's super handy. This building one by one is kind of a pain. And not really a problem in 2D games like Factorio. Okay, so we got the output going here. That's okay. Yeah, so this needs a lot of quality of life stuff for sure. Let's get the water coming in. I guess the closest water is just this right there. I'm gonna run out of pipes again. Where? Here? Is that gonna line up? I think it will. Ah, dang it. Okay, we got water going. I don't know if the throughput's gonna be a problem since it's pumping up quite a ways. Straight up, we got a lot of elevation there. But it's not too bad. I think maybe it'll be okay. And that should take care of the water. That's fine. That's no problem. Now, the olumic gas... 562.5 per minute. And where is that made? Distillation column. So 562 times 24? Hold on. $562 times 24, about 13.5 thousand. How many distillation columns is that going to be? Okay, we get a lot out of this. 1350. Oh, okay. Well, that's just 10 columns. Okay. Well, that makes it easy. So we're going to do that. Probably... yeah, just right behind here, I think. 10 columns. And I have 10. I don't think I have enough platforms, though. Because of my pitiful inventory size. I'm probably gonna have to go back and grab some more. Yeah. Okay, yeah, but here's the thing. If I'm gonna need that much ignium powder, I want it done close by, so I think what I'm gonna do, like right next to it. So I think I'll do the ignium powder over here, and then the gas, olumite gas, down there. So the powder is made in a crusher, I assume? Where is it? There it is. Crusher makes 1 per second. Should be 60 per minute, right? Unless I'm reading that wrong or something. Let me just put that down. 60 per minute, yeah. And input 120 per minute. So 1 crusher can feed two of these things. And 1 belt is 180? Oh, 160. Okay. 320 for a tier 2 belt. Okay. That's fine. So I'm gonna set something like that up. Well, we'll have 2 crushers. Well, how much ignium powder can I fit onto 1 belt? 320? 320 divided by 60. Okay, we'll just say 4 crushers feeding onto 1 tier 2 belt. That'll feed 8 of these. Okay, so yeah, I'll set something like that up. I'm probably going to do it off camera. I'll do a little bit of this off camera because it does take a while and it's tedious. So I'm going to do the crushers off camera, and then next time we'll set up the olumite gas, have that feed into here, and yeah, then we'll have the acid, and then for this stuff we'll have the acid. Then we just need the easy stuff, the stuff we've already done: plates, electronic components, glass. Well, we haven't done glass, but I think that's super easy. It's just smelting the gravel, I believe. Yeah, that shouldn't be an issue. Alright, so we'll get that done next time. I'm gonna destroy more of this forest as well and just put down a bunch of foundation or blocks because I need a lot of room. Alright. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon.